Really, dude? Come on, yeah, come on. Seriously? You car park there, so. Oh, what the f***? Put a f***ing door! Fucking door! Yeah! What's wrong with you? Ball. What's wrong with you?
Not supposed to overtake them.
Put your fucking indicator on.
Sorry.
Put your fucking indicator on.
No need to speak with the fucking. I said sorry. Why do you speak rough?
Because you just don't look.
I said sorry.
Yeah, but it's not enough, is it? Just fucking look with your
I
eyes.
said sorry. Go on, keep going.
I thought this was a one-way street. There's the BMW, of course. I stopped because I was waiting for you. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's not a stop sign. Yes, but still, he wasn't crossing where he stopped. What are you doing?